Hello friends, how is everyone? This is Umesh welcoming you once more to Indian Everywhere. Today we are going to the King Salman Park, so let's go. Friends, finally we are at the King Salman Park. We are going to go inside now. Friends, this is going to be the biggest park of the world. It is 13.4 square kilometers as proposed. So we will go all around and have a look. So friends, this park is very big and we will move around all over the park and I will try to show you each and every place as possible. The best part what I can see in this park is everywhere all the lights are with solar lights, so they are going to save power. So friends, as you can see behind me this place, we have almost 100 similar places has been constructed for the family members to come have a seat, make barbecue, cook, eat, relax, and there is a privacy that it is covered, you see, semi-covered. So you will have a good time here with your family members. I was getting hard time to find such one to show you all because almost everywhere it was full. So have a look of this place. So friends, very important thing, just I need to let you know that there are no shops in the park or even there are no shops nearby. So while you are coming, so bring all your stuffs with you, whatever is required. Friends, previously you saw for the small family there was a place, and this is little bigger one. If you have a bigger family and you've got the opportunity, you can use this place also. Friends, you can see behind me there is a place for volleyball, sand volleyball. You can play here. Friends, you can see behind me there is a place for playing football for the kids, and lot of kids you can see also. See behind me there is a place for playing for the kids. There are almost 6 to 7 similar like that all over spread in the park. Started from that area and we came walking all around on the other side of the park. Still there are a lot more to go around. So we are going on the other side now. You can see the park this side, and similar we have on the other side also. I hope it is visible. as we are walking around in the park, we have the similar facilities here also as we saw previously. So we are not going on that one. So we will have some walk and see how much we can go from here. This is the best time to come at this place during winter. See, we have been walking around almost for an hour and still we don't feel tired. Wherever we can see a place for hiking, we can't resist ourselves. We have to go. As we are going now, inform you previously that this is going to be the world's biggest park. Wherever I can see with my naked eyes, I can see people sitting around, hanging around with their family members, and it is spread in such a wide area. So if ever you have a time, do visit this place. When we came here, I was also surprised that wow, how come this can be the world's biggest park? But now when I have been moving around for more than 1.5 hours, I can realize this is really the biggest one. So friends, as you can see behind me, maybe 5 to 6 kilometers away from me, that is the place where we started and we came here, and still at this side, still there are a lot of places, maybe 5-6 kilometers more to go around, but we are not going to go that far today. We are going to get back to the same place where we came from. So let's go back. Friends, in this place we can see there is a track for walking, maybe 400 meters all around here. So you can walk around if you feel like. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this park. If so, please like and subscribe to our channel. Until then, take care. Bye bye guys.